If you're dealing with a noisy electric furnace, it's essential to address the issue promptly. The noise could be due to a simple problem like a dirty air filter, or a more complex issue, such as a malfunctioning blower motor. As a homeowner, you can start by checking the air filter and ensuring all vents and grills are unobstructed. However, for your safety, certain tasks like handling electrical components or working with gas lines should be left to qualified HVAC technicians. A professional will diagnose the issue systematically, potentially involving inspections of the furnace components, electrical connections, and the operation of moving parts. Based on the diagnosis, repairs might include replacing worn-out parts, adjusting components, or fixing electrical issues. Regular maintenance, such as annual inspections and regular filter replacements, can help prevent many common problems, including noisy operation. Remember, if you ever notice urgent warning signs like a strong gas smell or smoke, stop the system and seek immediate help. For a detailed guide on troubleshooting and repairing your electric furnace, including a prevention and maintenance checklist, visit our website.